Welcome to our inaugural series of Dr. Talks Percussion. We're here in Oahu, Hawaii. My name is Michael Carey with Fitness Evolution 808. We're going to talk about the use of a percussion massager for chronic issues that you may deal with or somebody that you know, a loved one, may deal with as well. We're going to be talking about the different accessory heads as well as how to use them on your body. You may have a different percussion device, but just try to use what you have available and get the same kind of effects that we're hoping to give you today. And Doc?
Aloha, my name is Dr. Kai Moriguar with Prime PT Wellness Clinic here in Kaneohe, Hawaii. Next, we're going to be talking about wrist pain. So, quick comment with computers or people that work with their hands, pretty common to have wrist pain. So, similar to the shoulder, we're using our air plug head because we have a whole lot of bone. So, same thing, we're going to start with our slow speed, just test the waters. So because there's a whole lot of bone, not using much pressure, and same thing, we're looking for the sensitive spots. And then as it loosens up, press your hand down there. So that's where we can slowly increase the pressure as the spots loosen up, get that blood flow going. The unkinking of our arteries and veins is what allows for that increased circulation that promotes the healing process to be faster. So for the wrist, we have all these layers of connective tissue and tendons. That's where we have the nerves and arteries that are pinched and restricted from all that death gripping. So we can visualize all of that loosening up and having less pain.